What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because once again we have here an attempt of breaking this really important resistance area, and if certain conditions are met, I am planning to open here a trading position. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. If you saw my previous Cardano analysis, you know that I informed you about this bearish order block, which is between level 0.6995 and 0.6656. You can see that here we almost tested this area, but right now we are testing it, and there is pretty high probability that we are gonna take liquidity above. The first exact trade that I'm currently watching here will be valid in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation. The support confirmation here is extremely important because with that you can avoid fake out, because in my opinion, if we are gonna test this area above this bearish order block, there is pretty high probability that there will be many stop losses for short trades, which means that the market would just grab the liquidity and then it will reverse back down. And if you will wait here for that support confirmation, your chance of a fake out is now much smaller. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be that breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit targets, well, for this we need to probably switch on a bigger time frame. So you can see we are having here this bearish order blocks, which are between levels 0.7351 and 0.9762. First take profit target, or like first possible last take profit target, will be above these bearish order blocks, which will be slightly under $1 mark, and that's in my opinion first important psychological resistance. Definitely in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you will, for example, take under like this previous highs, then for example under 0.5, 0.9, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from a risk reward ratio like 7.25, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 4. If you want to create here, let's say, more of a long-term long position, you can then speculate on a level 1.5, which is next important psychological resistance. It will give you really good risk reward ratio, and also we will take important liquidity above this previous important highs. In this case, if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I'm again highly recommending, then your final risk reward is gonna be like 15, 14, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing setup. So these are the two main setups that I'm currently watching on the 4-hour chart. Another potential setup that you can trade here is on a weekly time frame. Right now you can see we are testing here this resistance area, I'm meaning like this bearish order block. And if there will be a support confirmation in this area, which means that this and the next weekly candle will close in this range, this can be another good long opportunity. Stop loss in this case, again, you need to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be a resistance confirmation under this area, then the price is going down probably, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. So let's now take a look on a scenario that the support confirmation will be on this exact level. Your last take profit target, in this case, you then want to place, in my opinion, slightly under $2 mark, because on a weekly time frame we can aim for much bigger profits, because we are having here better stop loss and better potential, let's say, probability of a successful trade. This trade will again give you risk reward ratio around 22, which is almost the same scenario as on the 4-hour chart, but in this case we are having here, as I said, bigger stop loss and bigger take profit target, which means the risk reward ratio will stay kinda similar. Here, of course, you need to take multiple take profit targets, but I'm watching here 3 main take profit areas. The first one will be above this high, so above this bearish order block, because still this can be like a fake out with a liquidity grab, which means that your first take profit target will be on the risk reward ratio approximately 2.6, which is in my opinion really not bad. Your next day profit target should be under this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.25 and 1.10. This is gonna give you risk reward ratio like 7. Then definitely again above this bearish order block. This is the same scenario as with the fake out on the first bearish order block. And then again, you want to save some back to a last day profit target and definitely take some profits in between. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 23, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 15, 16, something like that, which is in my opinion another really wonderful setup that you should definitely watch. The reason why I am so bullish right now about Cardano is that right now we are again starting to having here a really nice bullish volume if we are gonna compare it to another altcoins. Another reason is that from the current all-time high, we are still down around like 77% of a net market. Of course, there is some probability that in the upcoming months we are gonna break a current all-time high, but this is definitely not a scenario that I'm counting with. So as I said, my main take profit target will be for this weekly trade under $2 mark, and on the 4-hour chart it will be under 1.5 or above that order block that I showed you. So yeah guys, these were the main setups that I'm currently watching here. And if you want to know about the exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.